All right, welcome. So today we're going to be looking at how to create a tool chest and how to add to it. And these are very useful if you want to make custom tool sets. So the first thing you're going to do, again, you're going to open up this floor plan that comes with the Bluebeam software. Just go to Help and the Welcome to Review. You can press F12 as well and just launch the sample file, and that'll bring you over here. So let's just expand this. All right, so um, let's say you worked on a tool and you want to just always have this markup every time. So you want to reuse it in the future. Um, what you can do here is you can go to the top left, click this drop down, and you can set it as the default. So all your settings will be saved. If you want if you have multiple different call outs, for example, and you just want to have them all in one place, that's what the tool chest is for. So just on the left-hand side, you can see this little suitcase or toolbox. You can click that, and I will just expand it so we can take a look at that. Just close this. There we go. So over here, you could see there's some different preset ones for you, general measurements, for example. Um, so if you want to create your own, you can just click this drop down right here and just go to Manage Tool Sets. So this little pop-up window will appear. And what you can do here is just add a tool set name, and you can select the path where you want to save it. So I just did one right here, test 21. So I'm going to close that. And then you just press OK, and you see it'll pop up down here. You can also rearrange these if you want. Just no, you could just drag and drop, I think. Or sorry, if you go to the where we just were, manage tool sets, you can just select it and shift them up or down how you want them. So, all right, let's add this markup, this call out right here. So what you're going to do, again, go back over here, top left, and click Add to Tool Chest. Now you can change the name of it. For example, I'll say Call Out 1, and you can just add it and select it here, Test 21. So you see it just popped up right there. So every time I click it, it'll add whatever I put here. Let's say you don't want a text in there, you can just delete the text, and you can just have it as such and then add it once more. You could change it again, call out 2, add the tool chest 21. There we go. So it appears right there. Right now it's in the symbol mode. You can also change it to the detail mode. So then you'll get a comment. If it has a comment, you can add a label to it. Labels are useful, for example, just to categorize your items. If you use them in different areas. You can also set the scale over here. So it's a dynamic tool set scaler. So you can have a different scale if you want. And you can create a legend for these items if you'd like. You can also export them if you want to import them into another software, for example, and you can pin it to your toolbars at the top if you'd like. Okay, so that's the tool chest. Um, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.